Now we go to the section 1.2. In this section, we shall learn two basic Italian verbs, to be and to have. To be in Italian is essere. The present tense of the verb to be is io sono, I am. Tu sei, you are. Lui è, he is. Lei è, she is. Please pay attention on the accent. Lui è, lei è. Then in the plural we have noi siamo, we are. Voi siete, you are. And loro sono, they are. Now remember that for the formal addressing, or forma di cortesia in Italiano, you always use the third person singular, feminine gender. So lei è means you are, said formally, obviously. Great. Now you know how to present yourself. You could say, hi, I'm Lucia. It's ciao, io sono Lucia. Or simply, sono Lucia. You don't have to necessarily express the pronoun. It's the same with the masculine form. Hi, I'm Marco is ciao, io sono Marco. What about the negative form? The negative form always consists in adding non before the verb. Per esempio, io non sono Luca, sono Michele. I'm not Luca, I'm Michele. Okay, let's now move to the verb to have, or in Italiano, avere. Here is the present tense. Io ho, I have. Tu hai, you have. Lui, lei ha. He or she has. Noi abbiamo, we have. Voi avete, you have. Loro hanno, they have. You see, H here, or the letter H, is written, but you don't ever pronounce it. Now, how would you say, I have a house? And a house is casa, una casa. It's io ho una casa. Or I don't have a house. Io non ho una casa. Okay, that's it. Alla prossima.